In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track post performance using free analytics. Understanding how your posts are performing is one of the most important parts of growing your presence online. It helps you see what your audience likes, what actually works, and where you might want to adjust your strategy. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through accessing your post analytics using tools that are already built into your platform, so you don't need to pay for anything extra. Start by opening the app and making sure you're logged into the correct account. Once you're on the main home screen, look towards the top right corner of your screen for your profile icon. This is usually a small circle that might show your profile picture or initials. Go ahead and tap on that profile icon. This will open a menu that gives you options related to your account and settings. From this menu, choose the option that says View Profile. Tapping View Profile will take you to your public profile page, where you can see all your posts, your bio, and other basic account details. Take a moment here to make sure you're on the right profile, especially if you manage more than one account. Now scroll through your profile and find the post you want to analyze. This could be a recent post you're testing out, or an older one that performed unusually well or poorly. Tap on that post to open it. When the post opens, you'll see it in full, along with any likes, comments, or other visible engagement. On this post screen, look for an option that says See More Insights or something similar. It's often located just below the post or near the visible engagement numbers. Tap on See More Insights. This is where the free analytics become available. Once you're inside the Insights view, you'll typically see detailed information such as how many people saw your post, how many interacted with it, and possibly where that traffic came from. Take your time exploring these numbers. For example,